Nigeria plans to acquire more JF-17 Thunder fighter jets from Pakistan to modernize its fleet and bolster its air force. The JF-17 Thunder, born out of a collaboration between Pakistan and China, represents a blend of versatility, power, and cost-effectiveness. A Pakistan Air Force delegation, led by Air Vice Marshal Z. Mafzal, Deputy Chief Project Director JF-17 visited Abuja and met with the Nigerian Minister of State for Defense. Nigerian Air Force already operates 3 JF-17 fighter jets which were inducted in 2021. JF-17 Thunder is a product of collaboration between Pakistan and China, designed to be a light yet effective combat aircraft capable of performing a variety of roles, from ground attack to air superiority. JF-17 has become the flag bearer of Pakistan's defense exports. Even though it is a small order, it is a big boost to Pakistan's defense industry and economy. India's Minister of External Affairs, S. Jaishankar, was in Nigeria in January 2024 to put diplomatic force behind the Indian offer of the indigenous fighter jet as it faces stiff competition from the Chinese warplane. JF-17 Block 3, also hailed as a Generation 4 Plus platform, is the most advanced version with additional hardpoints, more sophisticated weapons and integrated modular avionics including an active electronically scanned array radar. The successful execution of Pakistan Air Force's response against India on February 27, 2019, in the post-Pulwama skirmish, has earned JF-17 accolades for a proven battle-tested machine. JF-17 Block 3 variant with improved weapon compatibility, allowing it to carry a wide range of air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions. This includes beyond visual range air-to-air missiles, precision-guided munitions, and anti-ship missiles. JF-17 Block 3 variant that truly sets the bar higher, equipped with state-of-the-art avionics, enhanced firepower, and superior combat capabilities, the JF-17 Block 3 variant emerges as a formidable contender in the skies.